Magandang umaga sa ating lahat, magandang araw sa mga nakikinig. Ako si Arvin F. Media, isang agricultural advisor and engineer from Bicol Region. So sa ngayon, pag-uusapan natin ang land effect solutions, streamlining landscape architecture, irrigation design, and site planning. So basically, yung ating pag-uusapan, nakapokus sa mainly into irrigation. Kasi yun yung ating expertise. So si LandFX is one of the engineering softwares na ginagamit sa pagdi-design and paggagawa ng plano in terms of pressurized irrigation system. Kung maalala nyo, regarding the pressurized irrigation system, meron tayong mga sprinklers, drip lines, and also meron tayong mga misters or yung gamit sa mga greenhouses. So, ito pong LandFX, ito yung ginagamit namin sa mga projects namin on the preparation of irrigation system design. So, bukod po sa ating layout, meron na po din tayong makakapag-generate po tayo ng mga calculations dito and also mga material take-off using this software. So, for the overview and core capability, so connecting CAD drafting powered directly with intelligent landscape database and automated schedules. So, yun yung pag-uusapan natin from CAD. Kasi kung isipin natin, makikita nyo sa graphic ni LandFX is same as lang din siya ni CAD, AutoCAD. So, yung additional features na lang is meron na tayong calculation, different brands or manufacturers ng mga irrigation equipment natin. It may be sprinklers, drip lines, misters, etc. So, core LandFX module. So, meron tayong dalawa. Meron from the planting and site FX. So, ito naman ginagamit sa mga landscaping. Yung mga plants, yung hardscape niya. While on the other hand, meron tayong irrigation FX. Ito yung pag-uusapan natin. Yung complete pipe sizing, meron tayong pipe sizing, hydraulic calculation, head placement, valve zoning, equipment scheduling. So, yun. So, planting design and smart schedules. Nakita po natin yung live data associations, assign test names, container sizes, and cost directly to CAD blocks. So, automated error checking na rin tayo. Meron tayong dynamic schedules and 3D syncing. So, sa mga modelers po natin, especially sa Revit, pwede natin siyang incorporate yung design from here sa landscaping. So, for the precision irrigation system, as we talked about in the previous video, so ang gamit ni LandFX, one of the use of LandFX is the precision irrigation design. So, automatic hydraulics. So, from manual calculations of flows and the main losses, yun po yung mga kaya niyang ibigay sa atin na data. So, for example, meron tayong isang area na i-develop. So, mahirap po siyang i-calculate through manual calculation. Especially kung pinag-uusapan natin is hectareage of land at being developed. So, dito natin magamit yung flexibility ng software. So, from layouting, nandiyan na yung i-click mo na lang, magkakaroon ng pipe size, the flow, and others. And also, we can check kung meron ba mga errors dun sa site, meron bang error sa layout natin, para maiwasan po yung ating mga design errors, especially pag dumating na sa installation. So, 4-step integrated design workflow. So, meron tayong base plan. So, kailangan natin yung base plan natin para doon tayo paglapat ng ating irrigation layout. So, setting the project units, kung anong units yung ginagamit natin, scale, drawing scale, location, while importing civil survey data seamlessly. So, syempre, pag meron na tayong base plan, or sabihin natin property line, property area, doon na tayo magsisimula ng design natin. So, maglalagay tayo ng mga plants, hardscape, details, irrigation equipment, which is available naman sa ating software. So, on the latter part ng ating mga videos, i-isa natin yung mga kung paano natin sila ginagamit. So, for then calculate automated pipe sizing. So, rerun lang natin. Every zoning, magkakaroon tayo ng pipe sizes. Also, the hydraulic pressure analysis. And also, once we already lay out our design or our plan, we can instantly provide schedules. For example, the material take-off, paano mga gamitin ng mga irrigation provisions, mga valve, mga solenoid valves, sprinklers kung ilan yung gamitin, and others. So, ganun na magiging kadali yung ating magiging pag-design. So, production efficiency impact, so 70% drafting time savings. Kasi nga, readily available na yung ating mga blocks. So, 70% unlike ng mga previous designing using the CAD. So, isa-send mo pa yun. Also, may calculation ka pa, etc. Manual calculation, etc. So, yun. Manual CAD, makikita natin yung mga differences or time reductions ng paggamit ng LandFX. In terms of irrigation pipe sizing, 90% time reduced. Kasi in one click, as long as the settings of our considerations are already met. So, yan. So, project implementation set. Stage 1 is setup, customized from references, block libraries, and project standards. And the second one, the design, layouting na tayo. And the third is the calculation. And the fourth is the document or cost estimate, legends, and final construction sets. So LandFX turned CAD from a simple drawing tool into an intelligent landscape information design system. So any questions? Comment down below. Thank you so much.